sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Come on, go. Hello? I was supposed to get up. I was expecting a package and it said it arrived.
Okay,
a burger, B-E-R-G-E-R.
yes. I'm just getting ready to scan it in.
Oh, awesome.
It's been so busy. Oh my goodness. Okay. I know I saw your name.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
We'll see you later.
All right. Enjoy your afternoon.
You too.
Thank you.
Heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright, so I've been really excited about this. Time to open it up. No. Wow, there sure is a lot of bubble wrap. Whoa! Okay, maybe I should hold this for a second. Small box in a big box. Ah. Okay, so I purchased this from Best Buy. Best Buy says thank you. Put that back in there. And this is my new drone. It's the Mavic. Hold on. So this is my new drone. This is the Mavic Air Fly More combo. I've been really excited about this. Now the reason that I got this is because I can actually take this with me wherever I want to go. It's more portable than my big drone. It has a big suitcase, my other drone, and it's just hard to take with me. Alright, so let's get this thing open. Ew. So before I open the box, I want to read what comes with it. It does come with a remote control. It has 3 batteries since this is the Fly More combo. Also, there's a battery charging hub, battery power bank, and propeller guards come with it, carrying case, and travel bag. Well, this is one heavy box for such a small drone. It does come in 3 colors. There's Arctic White, Flame Red, and then Black. I guess it's time to go ahead and open up the box. I swear this box is heavy as crap. Oh, it's weird. You open it upside down. Now this is the carrying case for the drone, I believe. Let me make sure. Yep. Look how small that thing is. It's itsy bitsy. This does shoot in 4K. I mean, it's actually as small as your palm. I did get the Flame Red. I love the color. It does have sensors all the way around for avoidance, so it doesn't, obstacle avoidance, so it doesn't crash into anything. That is just wonderful. I can definitely carry this easily. It does shoot in 4K at 100 bits, I believe. Yes, that's definitely small. Alright, let's go ahead and open up more of the package. Let's see what else is in here. Here are the propeller guards. This is, I think, basically if you want to fly indoors. Just in case. It comes with 4. Here are the manuals for the Fly More. And the price on this was at $1,000. It was right below $1,000, $9.99. Not sure what this is supposed to be or how to open it. Oh, I think that's just, oh, that is. Okay, now here's another case. This one is a much larger case, so harder to carry. I believe the extra batteries and everything else come in this. Alright, let's unzip it. Alright, here is the controller. Unfortunately, the controller does not come with the case, or you can't carry them together. That would be better if you could. Let's see. These are the charging cables and the extra batteries, I believe. There's one battery. Yep, charging cables. And here are the extra propellers. Or that, yeah, because the propellers are already on there, so they do give you an extra set of propellers, yeah. Alright, and these are more connecting cables. Sorry, it's so windy out here. Actually, it comes with 2 sets of propellers, which is awesome. I'm going to put this box down before it blows off. So here's the charger for the drone. Too bad that doesn't charge DC. And here are the extra batteries. It comes with 2 extra batteries. There's one in the drone already. And there's the plug for that. Alright, I believe that is it. I'm in love with this drone. Look how small that sucker is. Let's go ahead and fold it out. They said it was kind of hard to figure out how to fold it out at first. Doesn't seem. Oh, I see, because those twist. So that just folds out, and then the back arm kind of twists down and up. There it is. Isn't that sucker small? That is just wonderful. Right. So down and then up, down and then up. Yeah, so it can be a bit awkward, especially if a propeller gets in the way. Make sure the propellers are out of the way. And that's it. Goes back in, propellers towards the back, and zip it up. So yeah, it is a small case, and the drone is really, really small, but too bad they couldn't have made the case a little bigger so you can carry this with it. But you can also fly it with just your phone. I don't know how I would like that. I'd be scared because I know you don't get as much of a range or as far of a range if you just fly it with your phone. So I'm really excited to take this for a test run and see how the footage is. Awesome. Alright, there's a little sticker on the front giving you directions about the controller. It says unfold the antennas and mobile device clamps, then attach the control stick. Oh, that's what that is. Okay. So these fold out like this. I'm going to charge all my batteries, read the directions, and get acquainted with my new drone before I set it up into the air and fly. Like I said, it does have obstacle avoidance, but still I want to read up on it and make sure. Well, there's definitely a lot to read. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 manuals. We've got the quick start guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines, intelligent flight battery safety guidelines, user guide. Oh, that's for the propeller guards. Battery to power bank adapter, and the battery charging hub. So this is actually the battery charging hub. And here is the adapter, which I thought was a battery at first. I was like, wow, that's awful small. But it's not. There's a USB, and then this plug. So this is the battery charging hub. This plugs into the bottom. And then you just plug that into the wall. The batteries just plug in right here. Like that. And like this. I'm not sure if it charges USB yet. I'm going to plug this in USB and see if it does. And then I'll plug these in as well. So we're just messing around with the drone while the batteries are charging. And I'm reading up the manuals. This is the quick start guide.
Oh, hold on. I gotta show them the. Look at this. Look at this. This is the coolest part of the drone. Look. Little itty bitty legs. Bleep.
Okay. Ugh, I hate reading manuals.
You already got the lens dirty.
No, I didn't. I didn't touch the lens.
On the optical adapter.
I didn't touch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dirty, dirty girl.
I'm bad for getting lenses dirty. Oh well. That's what a cleaning cloth is for. There's no battery in it.
You need an SD card in here, though.
Oh, I have the
Didn't come with one?
No, and I have a 4K one that is in my. I don't think so.
Mine came with one. Look in the back. It probably came with one.
I don't think so.
Pretty sure it does.
No, I don't think so.
I'm pretty sure it does.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Like positive?
Yep. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna finish reading this while the batteries charge. I don't know how long it takes the batteries to charge. Do you know what time it is?
It's got a battery indicator.
Right.
Mine's on the.
Alright, back to reading. We'll see y'all in a minute.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing
First
I
reaction
can see
is
my
the new authorization thing is really freaking annoying because I already checked that beforehand. It's really annoying.
Is it
it's
really
hard
annoying?
to push the little squares, but it's just a little thing.
Okay, you have the motors going.
Motors are going. Flight systems are checked. Ready to go. All right. Are we recording? Yep.
Oh, there it goes.
The controller's way better on this.
Is it?
Way better. It's easier to hold.
Than the other ones?
And even though you're supposed to, like, you're really supposed to do it like this.
Right.
But even like this, it's a lot easier. Get out of my way, camera settings.
It is very windy today, too.
It's not that bad. They can handle a lot more than you think they can. Just like that mic. Whoa, my hat can't though.
Yes.
Let's do some flying.
Okay, so you're going to get some aerial shots and let us know.
Kind of puts a crick in your neck looking down at it though.
A crick in your neck because of the small screen, you mean?
Well, because like you gotta either hold it up like this, or
Uh-huh.
I gotta like way down. Let's go up. We're going up. We're all the way over there.
Yeah, I see it. It's right there.
Oh, I've reached the maximum flight altitude.
Which is?
400 feet.
Right.
No, it doesn't like all the wind. You're only at 75%.
Wow, it is way up there, sucker.
400 feet. I gotta turn down the gimbal settings. where am I? Over there. It's harder to see it though.
Because
like
it's so
right there.
small. Yeah, I see it. Hey, that's close to the water.
It like feels uncomfortable when it rolls.
Does it?
It's a lot of freaking roll. Bye, drone! Ooh, okay, the Mavic tilts more than I thought it would, so we went out of frame in that selfie for a second. It's toying with it. Seriously?
It is?
It
Because
did it last time. You got to do it in one quick motion is what
right,
it is.
because the sensors pick up on your hand.
Yeah, because if it doesn't, if the sensor picks up on your hand, it just goes up and up and up.
So, what do you think?
It's a nice drone.
Oh.
It's definitely a nice drone. You can also...
Town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.